Hello guys, welcome back to language learning. Welcome back to Sepedi lessons channel. So today is day 12 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at fruits and vegetables in Sepedi language. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have apple. So what is apple called in Sepedi? So apple is called apula. Apple is called apula. The next one we have orange. So orange is called namune. Orange is called namune. The next one we have enaji. What is enaji called in Sepedi? So enaji is called narekisi. Enaji is called narekisi. So the next one we have a banana. What is a banana called in Sepedi? So a banana is called banana. A banana is called banana. So the next one we have a mango. What is a mango called in Sepedi? So mango is called mengu. Mango is called mengu. So the next one we have a watermelon. What is a watermelon in Sepedi? So a watermelon is called lerapu. A watermelon is called lerapu. So the next one we have a papaya. What is a papaya called in Sepedi? So a papaya is called po-po. A papaya is called po-po. So the next one we have grapes. What are grapes called in Sepedi? So grapes are called diterebe. Grapes are called diterebe. So the next one we have a lemon. What is a lemon in Sepedi? So a lemon is called suru, or you can say suiri. A lemon is called suru. A lemon is called suru or suiri. So the next one we have a peach. What is a peach in Sepedi? So a peach is called perekisi. A peach is called perekisi. So the next one we have a pear. What is a pear in Sepedi? A pear is called pieri. A pear is called pieri. So the next one we have a pomegranate. So what is a pomegranate in Sepedi? So a pomegranate is called garenate. A pomegranate is called garenate. Garenate. The next one we have a sweet potato. So sweet potato is called potata. Sweet potato is called potata. So the next one we have potatoes. So potatoes are called matapula, or you can say mazampani, or you can say matapani. There are many various ways to say potato in Sepedi. So the next one we have tomato. So a tomato is called tamati. A tomato is called tamati. So the next one we have a cabbage. A cabbage is called cabbage. A cabbage is called cabbage. So the next one we have onions. So onions are called diei. Onions are called diei. So the next one we have a pumpkin. So a pumpkin is called lefodi, or you can say lepoti. A pumpkin is called lefodi or lepoti. So the next one we have a corn. So there are various ways to describe a corn in Sepedi. The first one you can say sefela, or you can say midi, or you can say lihia. So the next one we have a chili. So a chili is called peri-peri, or you can say peri-peri. A chili is called peri-peri. So the next one we have a spinach. So a spinach is called morogo. A spinach is called morogo. So I think that's it for our day 12 of 21 days challenge. And for the fruits and vegetables that I did not include is because we did not have their names in Sepedi, so we just call them as they are. So I